Hi guys, we are at Campbell Avenue and Elm Street.
Wait, cross.
Oh wow, this is finally working.
Wait.
This finally works.
Wait.
Look at this. Awesome, huh?
Wait.
They finally work. Does this work though? Wait for it.
Wait. Cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
Alright, I've been waiting for a while.
Wait.
Look at this.
Cross.
This one's quieter.
Cross.
Okay. This may take a little while. And, oh, there he is.
Wait. To cross. Wait.
Oh, there it goes. We got the yellow arrow.
Cross.
Should go off in a second. Oh, it's just that one. That one was the one that just went off. Alright.
Wait.
20 seconds until this one goes off. Oh, come on. Okay. I'm getting wetted all over. Well, it looks like it's starting to rain again. Well, here you go. Look at that. That one's 1 second. Okay, the yellow lights just came on.
Wait to cross.
Here's this one.
Walk sign is on.
Walk sign is on the cross sequence.